Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to boost yield in Mobox. Mobox is a GameFi plus DeFi platform on the Binance Smart Chain BSC where users can earn rewards by staking Mbox tokens, farming liquidity pool, LP tokens, using Momo NFT for the mining. Boosting your yield means earning more Mobox NFTs or in-game rewards faster. It is not just about farming, it's about optimizing your setup to maximize returns and stake higher hash powers. Momo NFT have hash power which determines how much mining reward they generate. So over here, first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top we can find this address bar. Simply type down mobox.io and enter it. Over here, once you reach into this interface of your Mobox, in the left hand side we can find all these events. Select to this Dragonverse Neo, and once you reach into this Dragonverse Neo, over here on the left hand side we can find this vault. Select to this vault here, and over here scroll a bit down until you find this boost, then click onto this boost, and you can connect to the wallet here in order to boost, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.